Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to open a dispute on Alibaba. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Alibaba application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, where exactly can you get Alibaba? Now, depending on the device that you use, you can get Alibaba on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Now, launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Alibaba and follow up with the on-screen instructions to install the app. After installing the app successfully, it's going to take you right into the sign-up page where you're going to be asked to either log in or to create an entirely new account, now whichever one you choose. Once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Alibaba. So now right here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to open a dispute on Alibaba. So from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the bottom of your screen where you have home, you have tips, you have messenger, you have cart, and you have my Alibaba. So click on the my Alibaba tab, and this is going to take you right into this window where you have my favorites, viewed, my coupons, sales and preferences, you have shipping addresses, you have requests for quotations, inquiries, my live, save catalogs, you have search by image, Alibaba reads, logistics services, you have online trade show, you have help center, and I'd like you to click on the help center. Once you click on this help center, it's going to take you right into the help desk for Alibaba. So in here, we're going to need to chat with Alibaba and let them know that we need to open a dispute. So head over to this bottom corner where you have this live chat and click on live chat. And it takes you over here. So here we have, please describe your problem in detail. Let them know that you want to open a dispute. I want to open a dispute. Send. So check for the order that you want to open a dispute for. So once you search for the order and you have clicked on the order, that's pretty much it. They're going to ask you specific questions. So search for the order here and click on the order that you want to open up a dispute for. And once you do that, Alibaba is going to help you with the step-by-step processes involved in opening the dispute for that particular product. So that's pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.